As organizations become more global and more integrated, their organization structure changes to reflect this. This video explains some of the business drivers on this journey and the structural responses. Many organizations start out by succeeding in their home market and then beginning to grow into an international company. At this stage, they often have one dominant home country. Over time, international operations grow, and we become a multinational company with a more balanced international profile. Then we start to look for internal efficiencies across the organization. Wouldn't there be synergies in sharing learning and resources in IT, marketing, or purchasing? We set up ad hoc groups to look for opportunities. We start to realize that there are major opportunities to integrate key processes that cut across geography and business units, such as in the supply chain. Our biggest customers ask for a single point of contact to talk to about their business with us worldwide. We set up a global account structure to meet this need. In the functions, we see great opportunities for global coordination, but the local markets are moving too slowly. Perhaps we would do better to move more people to a head office so that we get a single integrated and controlled approach. But then we get products and processes designed in an ivory tower that do not work locally. We realize that we can't locate everybody in the same place. So we set up more virtual teams which start to compete with the formal structure for the time and attention of our people and require different skills. The power of local operation starts to become a problem. Geography can become less important to your business as products, supply chains, and value creation increasingly cut across countries and regions. It's frustrating not to be able to compare operations and get good global information, so we kick off a major global systems project. We may also introduce a product group or business line structure with global functions cutting across them, or even add this dimension to the existing geographic and functional reporting lines. Others draw their structure with the functions vertically, and the business units or product groups cutting across horizontally. Once we have a multidimensional organization, solid and dotted reporting lines start to run both horizontally and vertically in some areas of the business. Whatever organization structure you create, as you become more global and more integrated, you will need to collaborate across it. The solution is usually some form of formal or informal matrix. The old world was hierarchical, siloed, and often limited. The new world of the matrix is much more complex and interconnected. Despite all this focus on structure, organizations now start to learn that it is the networks, skills, and ways of working of their people that make these complex structures succeed or fail.